Hi guys! Good morning! Good morning! Good morning! Good morning!
At the roundabout, take the second exit onto Penfold Road.
Did you remove my tag? Yeah. It's 11:30. Where are we going, babe?
For a drive.
We're going to the hills.
In 500 meters, at the roundabout, take the third exit onto Kensington Road.
We will check out some houses. How many houses? 3 houses today?
Yeah.
Yeah, so merong tatlong open house dun sa hills, guys. This is how many minutes away from our house now?
26.
26 minutes away from the house. And sabi niya, 25 minutes away from my work. Wala pa akong lipstick, guys. Dala-dala ko yung liquid catsuit. Mega Last liquid catsuit from Wet n Wild.
Meters, at the roundabout, take the second exit onto Kensington Road.
Ito yung shade niya, Give Me Mocha. Bigay sa akin ni Nice. Thank you, Nice. I like this one.
Who's nice?
Nice from the US.
The one that films with her husband?
Yeah.
Ah, yeah, cool.
Nanood siya. Did you watch that?
Yeah, I watch them. They're good.
Yeah.
They're good.
Hi, Nice.
He looks just as happy as me to be in the videos.
Hello. He watched the couple tag, and then we actually watched a couple videos of them.
Yeah.
Together. Yeah. Malapit na election dito, guys.
1.3 kilometers, turn left
Siguro
onto
in
Green Hill Road.
2-3 weeks election na nila. And ang linis-linis ng mga walang, 'di ba sa atin kapag eleksyon, hala ang dumi-dumi, ang daming mga mukha ng politiko. Dito konti-konti lang. Di mo alam sino tumatakbo. Ako hindi ko alam, hindi ko naman talaga alam. Vicky Chapman. She running for what?
Like local government.
Okay. Is this the upcoming election? Is this for local government only?
It's for the state.
Okay.
And then also in your area. So the state of South Australia, who'd lead that, and then the different parts of South Australia who'd lead that underneath them.
Okay. Is my battery dying?
Bring a spare one?
Yep. I did. But that's not gonna die yet. Dito na kami, guys, sa first house. Right? He said, tsaka na. Pero maganda yung view, in fairness. Ayoko dito, guys, malayo. Layo grabe. Sabi ni Dan, more of like checking the location lang naman. Hindi naman kami lilipat. Meron talaga siya. Kasi, di ba, araw-araw siya naghahanap or nagtitingin-tingin sa mga guys, mga real estate na mga website. Tapos, meron siya nakita na 3 dito sa, parang around dito sa area na to. So, sabi niya, i-check out natin yung 3 sa Sabado. So, yeah, that's what we're doing today. Alright, so we're done. What do you think about the first house?
Chaka.
Yeah. Malaki siya, guys. Sobrang laki niya. But, it's not, yung bedroom, maliit. Sobrang liit. Yung closet niya, sobrang liit din. So, not for me. But the view is so good. Sobrang ganda ng view. Ito, hindi ako nag-vlog sa loob kasi bahay pa yan ng ibang tao. Ano yan, privacy yan nila. So, hindi ako mag-vlog sa loob ng mga bahay, guys, ha. Ito lang ipapakita ko sa inyo. Kasi most of these houses, people are still living in these houses, right? Yeah. So, ayaw mo naman siguro. Like ako, ayaw ko na i-film yung bahay ko. Tapos hindi naman pala bibili. Ito yung outside. Ito lang ipapakita ko sa inyo. Kasi available naman to sa website. So, ito. Picture niya. Maraming parts yung bahay nila eh. Luma siya. So, gusto ko yung mas modern. Sharp! Parang bibili talaga. Gusto ko mas modern. Yun, luma siya. Mayroon siyang pool. Pero kailangan mo pa lumabas ng bahay. Basta hindi siya ideal para sa amin nila. So, yeah. Pero ang view maganda. Yung the best part dun is the view. Tapos yung parang, like, the outside area nila, guys, sobrang ganda. Oh, like, you can have your friends over, party, barbecue. It's nice. Pero, the bedroom is like the biggest, para sa akin. Ayaw ko kasi sobrang liit niya talaga. Tapos yung showers, it's sobrang liit. Mas maliit pa sa amin. Yung shower namin ngayon, maliit na nga yung shower namin ngayon eh. Anyway, next one! Dito na kami sa pangalawang bahay, guys. Ano dito? Mapuno.
I might just reverse it.
Ang daming puno. Sige, reverse. Careful, ha? Oh my gosh. Ooh! Okay guys, tapos na kami sa pangalawang bahay. Maliliit na naman yung bedroom. Sobrang liit ng closet. But, the living room is the winner for that house there. Yeah, maganda yung living room nila guys. Malaki. Malaki yung kitchen. Parang yung kitchen, mas mapapa-improve mo pa siya. Pero okay lang kasi malaki yung space. Pero ganito yung itsura niya. Marin siyang may pagka-rustic na feel, like, right babe?
Sorry?
Rustic?
Yeah, it's nice actually.
The wall is nice sa living room. Ito yung living room nila. The wall is really nice. Tapos meron silang malaking clock doon. Yeah. Malaki din naman yung bahay. Yung rooms lang maliliit. 3 yung rooms niya. Meron siyang ensuite. We will have breakfast. No, lunch. Oh, that's a nice house. I like that house. Modern. Gusto ko yung mga modern na look. Nandito kami sa Cafe Asiet. Something like that. We will have a quick lunch. Tapos, pupunta kami sa dalawa pang bahay. How far is the next house from here?
Half an hour.
We got tropical fruit juice cocktail. Clean and green. Magsishare lang kami ng burger kasi hindi naman ako as in over gutom kasi nag-breakfast ako kanina. Nag coffee at saka yung biscuit. That's good, babe.
Yeah, I get that a bit.
Parang fruit cocktail. Yung juice of fruit cocktail. Parang ganun. Not bad. Okay. We got the belly burger. Meron siyang pork belly. Yummers. Mag-share lang kami ni Dan kasi sure ako hindi ko siya mauubos. Someone's asking pala where I got my watch. It's from Mark Bale. Mark Bale yung brand niya. But I forgot kung saang website ko siya nabili guys. Or nakuha. Pinadala lang sa akin to hindi ko to binili. But Mark Bale yung brand niya. M-A-R-C-B-A-L-E. Yeah. Maganda siya actually. Very lang niya. Hindi siya like, in your face. Wala guys. Kailangan ko ng rice. Babe, oh, that one.
Massive.
I can bring that home, babe, and eat it with my rice. That looks really good.
Look at all the fat.
It's fatty and
That's
it's
so
good.
fatty.
Oh, yum. Ay, naku, iniisip ko siya with rice. Hala, uy, don't break it.
I don't want the fat.
Sarap. Parang gumba. Parang gumba to, babe. I really want to cut a piece so bad and bring it home. I'll do that, okay? Papunta na kami sa last na bahay, guys. Nandito pala kami sa Handorf. Dala-dala ni Dan yung takeaway ko. Na pork belly. Ang sarap kasi. Nasa burger siya. Sabi ko, my gosh, ang sarap nito iulam sa kanin. So, sabi ko, dadalhin natin yan. Humanda sa akin yung pork belly niyan mamaya. Para siyang humba. Hindi like, humba. Para lang. Tapos na kami sa pangatlong bahay, guys. Now, we're heading home. Pero meron kaming, magsastop kami sa isa pa na pabalik na doon. Sa hills pa rin siya. Yung third house na chinek namin, maliit din yung bedroom. Yung sa nila, like sa brochure nila, sa website, malaki yung bedroom tingnan. Tingnan nyo. Ito yun, oh. Yan, sa picture. Malaki tingnan yung bedroom, diba? Pero sa totoong buhay, maliit siya, guys. Yung closet niya hindi din malaki. Yeah. Yun yung importante sa akin na ililiitan na nga ako sa closet namin ngayon Ang dami ng Oh, that reminds me, I need to declutter my clothes. Ang dami yung kailangan i-declutter. Yung skincare, clothes, maybe makeup as well. Yung filming room ko, guys, ilang buwan ko na yun hindi nagagalaw talaga. Ang dumi-dumi na nun. Hindi naman dumi, magulo. Dito na kami, malapit na kami sa last na bahay. That's alright. Yan yung bahay, guys, oh. Maganda siya. Yan. Very modern. Kaya lang yung labas, ang daming kahoy. Ayoko nang masyadong maraming kahoy. Watch out, babe. Yeah, parang it needs a lot of work. The outside, babe, do you think?
Check it outside.
Yeah, pero maganda yung loob, guys. Very modern. Malaki din naman yung bedrooms, tignan. Yung ensuite, maganda yung ensuite. Kaya lang yung closet sa master bedroom, hindi ganun kalaki. But it's good. Like, siguro sa lahat, yun yung pinaka... I know. That's what I was looking as well. That's a big house.
Very nice.
Yeah.
Beautiful
Really
garden.
nice
Imagine we
house.
have that garden, we couldn't do that.
Nah, we can't handle garden. We can't even pick up the weeds that we have in the house. Yeah, how much more that big of a garden, babe? What can you say about that?
True.
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 Tapos ano din siya, guys, 2-story house. Mas prefer ko na 1-story lang, especially kapag, you know, siguro kung malalaki na yung mga bata. Malalaki na yung mga bata talaga. Wala pa nga bata. Pero mahirap kasi kapag ano, 'di ba? Kapag maliit pa yung baby. Tapos packet. Ewan ko kung ano pinagsasabi ko. Well, hindi ako buntis. Okay, Mart. Again. So cute. Guys, $1 oh, lahat pang baby. Bibili ako marami para kay Jess. Magkikita kasi kami sa Sabado, magkikita kami. Daddy and me. Oh, that's 6 o'clock. That's alright. Oh, cute. $1 lang siya, guys. Hindi naka-sale yung pineapple, pero ang cute pa din. Ala, ito din ang cute. $2 na lang. Oh, I'll get that. 6 to 12 months. Cute niyan. Dami, guys. Oh, ang cute nito. $1. Hala, uy. Ang cute. 3 to 6 months. Ito. Bilhin ko yan. Ay, perfect. Kasi wala pa ako para kay Jessie. Yan din, 6 to 12 months. Guys, ang dami. $1 na lang lahat. Ito, ang cute din ito. Look at his foot. Naka-sale siya, guys. $5. How much is this originally?
I don't know.
But how much was it?
Probably 15, 20.
Yeah. Ito yung gustong-gusto ni Holly, oh. Ito. Ito yung, diba, Holly? Yung tumutunog. Ito ba yun? Ay, hindi pala. Hindi pala yung tumutunog. Ito pa yung pinapakain, tapos nagpupupop. Iba pala yun. Ay! And what are you gonna do with it? You're such a kid. Play it again.
Oh, this one.
Play. That's so you. Just being a lazy monkey. Is it a monkey?
It's a sloth. You pick that move really slowly.
You wanna get that?
I get this one. $5.
For you? For you?
Yeah, for the kids.
We're getting this for Ava. Birthday ng pamangkin ni Dan. Bukas ata. Tapos I went crazy, guys. I got heaps of clothes para sa baby ni Jess.
No cash at this terminal. Welcome. Please scan your first
Bibilhin niya
item.
talaga yan, oh. Go. Put it in the...
Please place item in.
Bahay na pala kami, guys. Narap ko na yung present para sa pamangkin ni Dan. Ito yung para siyang pet. Pero hindi siya totoo. Ito yung meron siyang meron siyang hawakan. Tapos ganun-ganun mo siya, papakainin mo siya, tatai-tai din siya. Ito. May ganito kasi yung pinsan niya, yung isa rin pamangkin ni Dan. So sabi ko, bigay natin sa kanya para meron na din siya, para matchy-matchy sila. Siya, $4 siya. Naka-sale din siya from 7. But, so cute. Meron siyang unicorn dyan. Ang cute kasi palamig na din, guys. Di naman, pero yeah, papunta na kami dun. Ito din ang cute. Isang set siya, guys. Yung mga kinuha ko is 3 to 6 months. Kasi yung baby niya, nanganak siya December eh. Wala kami dito na nanganak siya. Pero yeah, it looks like this. And then meron siyang Pack 2-piece. Meron pa siyang pabow sa likod. Cute! Ito, $4 na lang from 15. Sa Fringe kami, guys. Manonood kami ng show. Parang circle something. Ito. Doon sila sa loob. There. Nakita nyo?
Of mind over matter, alien minds. Beautiful and deadly and it's Ice Queen. The toasted toes of the bagpiper.
Let me know when your rice is ready, please.
I was,
Have you
actually.
found somewhere?
Hello.
Not yet. Still looking. We're gonna concentrate on this and then see what's
No, this looks cool. I like
It
it.
looks really good, yeah. The barbecue.
Because my cocktail bar is different. There's only.
Thanks for your patience.
That looks really good.
I'm actually next in line to order those, so I gotta go. I just wanted to give you a quick call to tell you about the nerf gun.
So Nino's restaurant is here, guys.
Next combo and a rib.
Where are we, babe?
French.
French. Dito kami sa, ano guys, sa labas ng Nino's La Mesita, the Filipino project.
Oh, that guy in the white shirt. He's
Huh?
before us.
Oh, yeah. That guy. Tingnan nyo guys, maraming mga ano dito kainan. There. Tapos meron ding laughter is the best medicine, $1. No food yet? We're next? Thank you, babe. Calamansi juice, guys. Yeah. Finally, guys, dumating na yung food namin. Ayaw niya mag-focus, but it's chicken, barbecue, and what do you call that, babe? Ribs, pork ribs. Soy sauce, calamansi. Yum. Kain.
Hopefully it was worth the wait.
That looks good.
Yeah, it looks good. Oh.
Is it good? Yeah? Alright, where are we?
North Terrace.
North Terrace?
North Terrace.
Guys, meron silang mga meron silang mga ganap, guys. Tingnan nyo to. Wait, this looks really good. Guys, ang cute. Yung building. Is this a church, babe? No?
Yeah, this is a church.
Yeah, this one is a church. Tapos yung kabalay, papakita ko sa inyo mamaya. But look at this. As in, very, ano niyang color niya, ha? Very matingkad.
Yeah, you should.
Nice.
That looks cool.
How did they make it so bright? Where's the projector?
Right here.
Yan guys.
That looks cool. Look at that, babe.
Grabe ka bright.
It looks good how they got every part lit up, like,
I know.
you know, like in right order.
Wow. Ang ganda nito. Tapos may building pa sa kabila.
This is where Rocky and Dip had their wedding reception.
Okay. Dito kinasal yung ano, kuya ni Dan. Wow!
It looks cool, doesn't it, though? Told you it was worth it. Just take a photo of it.
Yeah.
Chaka.
Chaka building. Pauwi na kami guys. Actually, malapit na kami sa bahay. Yeah, wala. I-close na namin yung vlog. Thank you so much guys for watching. Please like this video if you enjoyed. Please subscribe if you haven't already. I hope to see you guys on my next one. Do not forget. Be good. Good night. Bye. Mwah.